Hey everybody, we're back, and today we're going to be doing sway bar links on the Mazda. Having said that, let's get started.
Start by jacking the vehicle up.
And a jack stand.
Move the tire. Put some cardboard underneath.
Sometimes these can get pretty gunkied up. Get in there with a pick and clean out the end. Put your Allen key in there. Make sure it's got a good bite. Give it a little whack with a hammer. Put your wrench on. Oh, see, the whole thing's turning. So hold the center with the Allen key. Otherwise, it'll just spin in there because the ball joint's just gone in there. You can see it moving around. That's not good. That's why they need replacing. Make a shattering noise when you're going over like washboard roads. Yeah, you see there's nothing left of that. We're just going to snug them up. Now you tighten these to 14 foot-pounds, but that's not much. You don't really need a torque wrench. Just pretty snug is good. That's all she needs. Just show you guys. Yeah, that's how bad they are. These ones don't move at all. Rinse, repeat on the other side. And there you go. Snug them up by hand.
Remove the jack stand. Lower the vehicle. And tighten to 100 foot-pounds.
always go around more than once just to double check. See, that one was a little bit loose. That's the one we started with. That's it for today, everybody. I hope you had fun watching. We sure had a good time doing this.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
And we'd like to thank Jenny and everybody at CTR for getting us the parts. And all of our new subscribers, welcome.